Hi, my name is Nastassia and I'm a Certified KonMari Consultant. My goal is to guide you through your own tidying festival and to help you create a home that supports you and feels great. In this video, I'll explain what you can expect from the free consultation, your first tidying session, and the following sessions in your journey. Let's get started. The free consultation is a bit of an introduction to get to know you, understand your unique challenges, and discuss the vision for your home. Nothing's decided yet, you don't have to commit to anything for us to chat. You can ask all the questions about the process or the method. I can also ask some questions to help us figure out if we're a good match and if I have the skills and experience that you need. The goal of the free consultation is to provide you with clarity and help you decide if you want to move forward. If you choose to move forward, we'll schedule your first tidying session. We'll do a home tour to understand the parts of the home that you're responsible for, what the current space and storage situation looks like, and we'll take the before pictures. We'll visualize your ideal lifestyle and begin with the clothing category. During our sessions, we'll progress through each category one at a time in order. We'll do clothing, books, papers, kimono or miscellaneous, and finally sentimental items. We'll choose what sparks joy for you, discard the rest, and find temporary storage as we continue. Depending on the frequency and the length of the sessions that you choose, you may have homework and may need to continue through the category independently. Each session is a minimum of 3 hours long, and how frequently we meet is completely up to you. At the very end of the tidying festival, when all the categories have been completed and probably some space has opened up, we'll finalize the storage. And you'll be done and we'll be celebrating. I hope this helps you and demystifies the process a little bit. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions and to schedule the free consultation. Thank you so much for watching and hope to hear from you soon.